Welcome back to the channel. Today we have the Dexnor keyboard. This is for Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. Yes, this is not a very new model. The last S6 Lite is from 2024, but it doesn't come with a keyboard case. So I buy this one just to use with my Tab S6 Lite. Alright, now I will unbox this. Oh, this seems like a very nice instruction manual. Alright, here is the keyboard. Okay, smooth to the touch. So this looks like the Apple Magic Keyboard. Okay, what else in the box? What's this? Installation guide. And USB-A to USB-C cable for charging. And that's about it. Alright, now let me just get my tablet. Alright, looks pretty nice. Okay, there's a power button here. Long press. Alright. So, is it in pairing mode? Let me check. Nope, it is not in pairing mode. So to go into pairing mode, I have to click on this button next to the power button for 2 seconds. Alright, it's blinking now. Let me just refresh the Bluetooth list. Alright, Dexnor keyboard. Pair. Alright, I've done pairing it. Alright, so I've connected my Galaxy Tab S6 Lite to this Dexnor keyboard. Looks very nice. And this keyboard has some gesture which is indicated inside the manual, but not all of the gesture is useful or can be used. Some of them is not working as I've tried it out. For example, the double click with 3 fingers to show the status bar doesn't work. Then even the right click on the trackpad doesn't work as well. In fact, I use 2 fingers to right click or to tap on it, then it works. So I'm not sure why. Also, this one, double click with 4 fingers to access the keyboard shortcuts also doesn't work. Other than that, everything seems to be working fine. There are 7 colors for this backlight. So to switch color, simply just click function enter. It starts from white, red, green, blue, yellow, cyan, purple, and back to white. Alright, looks very nice. Okay, so this keyboard can also set the backlight intensity. You can do this by clicking on function and the right shift. So there are 3 levels: low, medium, high. If you don't want, then you can click one more time to off it. Alright. function, right shift, high, off, low, medium, high, off. Okay. As for the typing experience, the typing experience is very good. The key travel is nice, and the overall key caps feels solid. I really like it a lot. Also, I think there is a dedicated slot for the S Pen. Yep. So this is definitely one of the better purchase so far. Although this is on the more expensive side, this is around 330 ringgit. But I will say I'm quite pleased with my purchase. So if you need a keyboard for your Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, do consider this. This is really a solid keyboard. Okay, so this is my quick impression and my initial review for this Dexnor keyboard for Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. Thank you for watching and have a nice day ahead.